Favorite, Dart Sequence, Bliss, Lakewood, Katmai, Daman, Surya. Lakewood has been back, all set now, ready to race. Race number 9. Away they go. Lakewood from the outside is Chuchinelli. Dart Sequence. Bliss is racing in between runners. It's now Dart Sequence followed by entry number 11, Durspil, Ninang Mill. Deo Campo, left unseated. It's now Bliss followed by Dart Sequence. Chuchinelli is racing third by Dorelis Lakewood. Dart Sequence by a length and a half followed by Bliss, Chuchinelli, Lakewood, Daman, Surya. And inside the last 750, it's now Lakewood, Dart Sequence, Chuchinelli, Daman, Surya. Dart Sequence regains the lead from Lakewood by a length and a half. And racing in third, Daman, Surya, Bliss on the outside, Silver Ridge, Chuchinelli, and Katmai. As they race the last 550, Dart Sequence by a length and a half. And on the outside, running by the rails, Lakewood. And as they race the final corner, Lakewood by the Dart Sequence on the outside. Lakewood, Dart Sequence on the outside, second. And nearing the last 150 meters more to run. Lakewood, Dart Sequence once again on the outside. Lakewood, Dart Sequence. And nearing the finish line, number 7, Lakewood, Dart Sequence, Daman, Surya, Katmai, Silver Ridge, and Helter Skelter for your Super 6.